Good afternoon, this is Lucky Links. I am doing this video to let you guys know that within the next 2 weeks, I will be starting a Lenormand class. I will be doing a basic Lenormand class, basic that will kind of lead you through. So it's really not about card meanings, although it will be part of it. So it's not a case of, well, this is what the card means. It will be part of it, but there's a lot of books out there and information out there already on that. So that will form kind of a quick cursory beginning to the class, but really this is more of a meat on how to become a really competent Lenormand reader. And I got my notes here just to let you guys know a little bit about what the class will entail, why you've been getting lost with those card meanings and historical and traditional approaches. One of the biggest things that people ask me all the time is, why I've got these card meanings, I've got these pairs, but I'm still getting stuck. Why isn't this approach that was supposedly historical and the way it was done, why am I getting lost, or why is it not working, or why isn't it consistent? And that's one of the things that we'll be looking at. And then what to do when you do get stuck, why you're getting stuck, and what to do when you do get stuck, and how to get past that, and why there are only the numbers 6 through ace in these decks, and these kinds of decks, because it's not the only kind of deck. A Lenormand card is not the only kind of deck. And let me tell you, from a fortune-telling perspective, or from a reading perspective, a divination perspective, it has nothing to do with the fact that it came from a parlor game. Okay? So be aware that there is a reason, there is a divinatory reason why it only goes from 6 through ace. Also, what is the significance of this very simple symbolism? And why, in some cases, it is even more profound and can make a much bigger impact than what you see on a tarot deck. Because there is some real significance and real power to the fact that these are very simple little symbols. And some of you have seen me do some pretty amazing things or pretty involved things with Lenormand cards when you have been told you're not supposed to be able to do that. Also, why the books only work for a while, or the information you get out of the books only work for a while, and then you get stuck. And again, how to push past when you do get stuck. What number one reason people don't develop psychically? People will start gung-ho about this, and they'll start to make a little bit, and then it falls off, and they lose interest, or whatever. The reason why, the number one reason why people don't develop psychically will be in part of this, and much, much more. So we will be doing basic spreads using the cards, delving into the symbolism, and there will be plenty of exercises for you guys to do, to use to develop your skills, and you will come out of it being a much, much more competent a Lenormand reader than when you went into it. It happens in a private Facebook group that you will be added to, and I will be posting videos and the video assignments, the video lectures and the assignments. Go through that. And then there will be 3 one-on-one coaching sessions with me where you can address your questions, your concerns, any area you feel stuck, anything you need to be illuminated on, or any practice you need to get you up to the level that you're wanting to get up to. So that is my virtual Lenormand class, and it will be happening within the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested in signing up and in registering, then contact me 779-302-8009 or conjurehope@gmail.com, conjurehope@gmail.com. And I hope to see you guys in the class.